you, Alex Bowman! Carson Osamar!
Cool under pressure. Steady when the chaos starts flying. He doesn't need the spotlight to steal the show. From Tucson, Arizona, the number 48 Hendrick Motorsports Chevrolet, Alex Bowman. Smooth, steady.
These don't whisper, they roar. You want perfect turns and polite applause? You know where to find it. But if you want dust, dead fenders, and a place to let loose, we've got
Oh, fuck yeah. I got my wish. You're not on the main road. I know.
Screaming your day. This is NASCAR, so America, start your engines!
And to his outside, the 48 of Alex Bowman, he will start 28. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. in the number 47 Chevrolet will start inside row number 15 to his outside.